Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong January 2025. This is your monthly reading for January. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. And comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see, Taurus, what's up? What's up? You have the 8th house, mystery, transits, and debilitated. Nako, some of you Taurus might undergo a change or transformation na hindi nyo na mapipigilan. Maaring you might feel na parang hindi siya komportable. Kasi mga changes naman kasi most of the time, hindi talaga siya comfortable. So you may be letting go of connection, situation, relationship na sa tingin mo it's no longer serving you. Pwedeng nagkakaroon na kayo ng ibang priority sa buhay, ibang gustong gawin, no? If this is a relationship or a romantic connection. And if this is a career path, maaaring may nagbabago sa gusto mo. What is the 8th house? 7th house. O yung iba sa inyo, relationship. Some of you, meron kayong natutuklasan or this can be a realization in your relationship with someone na na-realize mo na hindi pala kayo ang tawag doon, compatible. Ayun. Or may change of plans. Oo, may pagbabago kayo ng plano. Let's see what else for Taurus. You have the Elder of Wands. You have the Justice card. 10 of Wands. 4 of Wands. And the 2 of Swords. Yeah, this is a major change, major decision that you need to do ngayong January. Yung iba kasi parang feeling nyo pagod na kayo or parang gusto nyo magbawas ng load. Yung burden. Maaring may tatanggalin kayong responsibilities or merong matatapos na responsibilities. For example, meron kang mga loans, utang, ganyan, or mga mortgage, mga binabayaran. Na ngayong January, tatapusin mo na yan. Maaring iba sa inyo, you will do something na parang magagawin kang paraan para mabawasan yung mga bayarin mo, yung mga kailangan mong, yung mga responsibilities mo financially, or yung mga taong umaasa sa'yo na sa tingin mo is binibigyan mo ng limitation, no? Pwede kasing hinahayaan mo na umasa sila sa'yo and dumating na dun sa point na parang feeling mo, teka, bakit hinahayaan kong umasa sila sa akin kung kaya naman nila? Oo. So, there's definitely change for you. I also see new beginnings. Ang daming synchronicities dito, which is about number 1, new beginnings, no? Endings. And 5 is also about change, exploration. So, you may be exploring other options para sa'yo. So, yung iba, travel opportunities. You may be starting a business. This can be a business na work from home or online business na pwede mong gawin kahit nasa bahay ka lang. And with the 4 of Wands here, maaring meron ka rin gagawing changes sa home life mo. Kuha pa tayong isang card. 4 of Swords. Okay. So, this is about pagpapahinga, healing. Okay, yung iba, maaring meron kayong gagawing changes sa bahay ninyo, renovation, rearrangement ng furnitures, or you will get yourself into gardening or yung pag-aayos ng ng bakuran. Oo. Lalo na kung malawak yung bakuran ninyo na hindi nyo masyadong naasikaso ng mga nakaraan. So, ngayong January, may cleaning na gagawin. Maglalagay kayo ng bakod or ng gate or magtatanim kayo ng mas maraming halaman or mga flowers. This will really help you para malibang. And yung libangan na yan, pwedeng maging paraan yan sa'yo para mas ma-discover mo pa yung iba mong potentials. Meron din ditong vacation. Vacation sa, pwedeng alam mo yung simpleng staycation. Mga Airbnb staycations, ganyan. Oo, pwedeng kayo ay magsi-staycation sa isang lugar. You have the Justice card, which is balance, bringing balance into your life. So, maaring yung mga unnecessary na mga gawain, no, ninyo, ay tatanggalin nyo na. Magpo-focus kayo kung ano yung importante lang. Meron din kayong mga asikasuhing paperworks, documents that you need to update. Maaring iba mag-update kayo ng inyong mga lisensya or registration, ganyan, na kailangan nyo ng asikasuhin. Okay, let's see what else. Yung iba naman meron kayong mga gagawing paraan para makatulog kayo ng maayos. Kasi yung iba sa inyo meron kayong sleeping issues. Hindi kayo makatulog ng maayos. Discord among family or friends. Merong mga misunderstanding rito. Hindi pagkakaunawaan pagdating sa family or sa friends. You also have good luck. So, merong magandang energies for you ngayong January in terms of yung mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. So, parang you will get support from the universe na magiging madali para sa'yo na may gawing pagbabago. Oo. And this is your energy, no? Maaring kayo ay matigas ang ulo or talagang kung ano yung gusto nyong i-pursue, gagawin nyo. Oh, things will not always be this way. A change is coming. Yes, major change is coming, Taurus. Kayo ay prepare for a new opportunity or a new experience. Period of prosperity and abundance. Wow, ang ganda. So, nakikita ko lang ditong maaring maging challenge ninyo is yung misunderstanding with a family member or a friend that is close to you. Lalo na kung meron kang ika-cut off na tao sa buhay mo, no? Yung tipong, siya, pabigat sa'yo. Yung parang, feeling mo, nakaasa na lang siya na kaya naman niya. 'Di ba? Minsan ganun pag tinotolerate natin, hinahayaan natin. So, talagang wala silang ginagawa para ma-improve yung sarili nila. And I think, yung iba, mamasamain yun. Halimbawa, hindi ka na it's either hindi ka na magsusustento sa family mo, like yung parents mo, kasi pwedeng meron ka ring sarili mo ng inaasikaso. Or kung hindi man totally tatanggalin, pwedeng babawasan. Oo. Okay, you have problems to be resolved. So, kung may problema, maaayos naman. Huwag mag-alala. Huwag nyo na lang i-overthink. Indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. So, may mga pagkakataon na hindi nyo alam kung saan kayo papunta, kung anong direction yung tatahakin nyo. Kaya nga major decision ang kailangan nyong gawin. Pagpili ang maigi. Yung mga options na available sa inyo. Oh, don't worry because you will be taken care of in difficult times. So, kahit may mga challenges, it's either merong taong nakasuporta sa'yo, tumutulong sa'yo, or the universe is going to help you. Ayan may luck talaga. Alam niyo, 2 beses na yung luck na yan. Oo, samantalin niya yung good luck na yan for you. You also have Fox, shadow work. There are no shadows without light. I think nagiging aware ka na sa mga kailangan mong i-improve sa sarili mo, ayusin, 'di ba? Yung mga unhealthy habits, releasing that kasi aware ka na kung ano yung hindi nakakabuti sa'yo. Graceful transformation. 'Di ba? What did I tell you kanina? May change, may transformation. Soften your heart and find your flow. Yes, makikilala mo, mas lalo mo pang madidiscover at makikilala ang iyong sarili ngayong January. So, that is your reading, Taurus. Good luck. Thank you so much and see you again.